po sa inyong lahat. Una sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito. Nahiya na tuloy ako. Wala nag-react kasi. Naku, dali Mika! Pwede ka ba ulitin? Go Mika! Go Mika! Hello everybody! It's gonna be 100 times more on Saturday. Magandang umaga po sa inyo. Tsaka, thank you so much sa pagpunta rito. And then, maraming salamat po ngayon pala sa lahat ng mga bumili ng ticket and manonood ngayong Sabado. Thank you very much from the entire ASAP family. Yay!
So, lift up again to OTL Cassie.
Actually, there's an OPM song.
Walk the streets.
No, that was written specifically for Ontario. I did not forget the words.
Sample po.
Martin? I'll answer. The Phil-Am on...
ASAP still, every Sundays, and then it's showtime, Mondays to Saturdays. That's all for now. And thank you. So magpasalamat sa TFC for watching our show, Linlang, and What's Wrong with Secretary Ruth. Thank you so much. Isa sa mga superstition ko, Chinese half Filipino. Dapat every Monday nagsusuot ka ng kahit na anong red sa katawan mo kasi makatanggal ng malas talaga yun. Every first day of the week. So, yun.